All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about how to catch, clean, and cook blue crabs. Around the Chesapeake Bay, summertime means blue crabs. Now, thankfully, they're super easy to catch, fun for the family, easy for the kids. A few ways to do it. I'd say first way, easiest way is get yourself a crab trap, crab pot. Bait it with some chicken, throw it out off the dock. If you've got somewhere where you can throw that, that's going to do the work for you. Second way is going to be hand lining. Now, all you need to do that is a little bit of string, a weight, some chicken. They actually make a little crab throw line here, Tsunami. You can pick these up at Walmart for less than $2. This is easy. Throw this out there with a chicken drumstick on there. Once you feel something on the other end, lightly reel that bad boy back in and then net it once it gets towards the top. Now, again, this is something that everyone can do. You can do this from the dock. If you're doing that, just tie off to a cleat, throw it out there, and you'll be good to go. You'll be in business. If I do it from the beach, I usually put it onto a piece of PVC, something like this. This allows me to put it in the sand, especially if I'm out there on a sandbar throwing it off. I can put that in there and throw it out there and catch them right off the back end of the sandbar. Now, you do have these double drop rings here. These are fun for the kids. Drop this down with some chicken and a weight here in the middle, and then once it's been soaking there for a while, you pull that up real quick, hoping there's a crab inside. Now, once you've got your cooler of blue crabs, what you need to do is you need to clean them. A few tools that you have for that: get yourself a pair of these, save your fingers. You don't want your fingers or toes being pinched off there. But also you're going to need a small screwdriver or an ice pick, something to dispatch the crabs. You know, the easiest way to do this is flip the crab over. You'll see the bottom, there's the apron there on the bottom. When it comes to that point, just put this straight through the crab at that point. That dispatches them really quick. Once you do that, you're ready to peel off the top shell. Now, I always do this before steaming the crabs because gets the Old Bay down into the meat and it leaves a lot less mess for later. So once you've got the crab dispatched, you reach up under that apron, you peel the top shell off, making sure to get all the lungs, twist the face off, and then you can hose out or spray out any of the guts there. Once you do that, you're ready to put that bad boy into a steamer pot with some Old Bay. All right, now once you've got a cooler full of blue crabs all cleaned up, grab yourself a steamer pot. Fill it up with about 1 to 2 cans of your preferred beer. Put some Old Bay in there. You can't overdo the Old Bay. Then layer the crabs in your steamer pot. Powder those down with Old Bay as well. And then steam those. You want to steam those until the claws and the shells turn all red. Once they're red, you are ready to rock and roll and enjoy your feast.